So let's start with the very basic product, which is, for me, this is the gold standard toothbrush because of its gold-infused bristles, all right? As you can see, it is made of very fine, very soft, but sturdy bristles in such a way na natatanggal po niya yung air, yung mga tinga, those food impacted in between those teeth that are hard to reach by your usual toothbrush in the past. But only Atomy was able to do that as per my personal experience. And this gold powder, 99.9%, that is infused in the bristles of this toothbrush, is not something that protects your teeth from bacteria. It actually protects itself. It protects the bristle, making it antibacterial. All right? So don't confuse. Para kahit saan nyo siya ilagay, kung ano pong nakasanayan ninyo, ay hindi siya madaling kapitan at hindi magkaroon ng growth ng bacteria na siya pang maidadagdag sa already marami ng overpopulated na bacteria na ating bunganga. All right? And it even has this very clear, this clear handle na napakadaling linisan. You just wipe it off after you brush. It's not going to induce the growth of molds, di ba? If you live in a place like sa amin sa bundok, madalas po kami magkaroon ng molds, no? Kahit saan, pati sa handle ng toothbrushes, pati yung, most especially the one made of rubber. So I ditch all of that. And then it has this round-ended head. As you know, whenever you try to reach the corner, the back part of your teeth, of your mouth, di ba bumabangga? If you've ever tried the square-ended toothbrush, ours is rounded in such a way na pwede niyang linisan yung area na yun without hurting that particular part. All right? Yes. Pinapalaktakan po yan. And one thing I like about Atomy is it gave us these 3 different sizes that can fit different age groups. Of course, we have the one for adults, and most of us, I believe, is using this one, right? It comes in 4 colors, buy 2, that's 8 pieces of toothbrush in a box. All of them comes in 8 pieces in a box. You can change your toothbrush even every after a month. And hindi mo pa ubos yung isang box. It's only how much. And this toothbrush, you can even share to your family and friends. Napakaganda po ng toothbrush na to. And for this, wala namang strict na ano po, but it's just a suggestion. 13 years old and above, you can use the adult toothbrush. For those mga 7 to 12, hindi na sila masyadong bata, pero hindi pa rin sila adult. They can use the compact and the one for the kids. You know, I love that one because why? As a dentist, in order to change yung statistic na na-mention ko kanina, in fact, already 100% experiencing dental problems, we start with the young ones. Kahit nga nasa sinapupunan pa sila. So anyway, young ones really need a lot of motivation, di ba? Kaya may mga toothbrush na made of cartoon characters, the toothpaste made of fruity flavors, those kind of things. Our Atomy company come up with a actually very good toothbrush. Ang ganda ng design niya. So most of the kids in my clinic love this toothbrush. It fits their hands so well. And nakakatuwa po, bilang isang dentista, na marinig yung nanay na sasabihin, Doktora, yung anak ko nagbabrush na po. Yes, because we are not just trying to deal with the problem, with the disease, but we are trying to build the habit. Para hanggang paglaki nila, dala-dala nila yung magandang habit na yan, kahit man lang sa pagtutoothbrush, alright?